So an even further improvement of what I said before will be to make the underside of a reflective panel reflect the same type of light that this reflects. So light that isn't absorbed by the plant but instead is reflected back by the ground or something can be reflected back and forth until it eventually gets absorbed by the plant. This means you would have to let even less light. I don't know how much, but I do think it can be a significant reduction in some rare instances, in other ones just a little bit. But every little bit of power helps. The other thing you could do to make this even more efficient is if you have a crop covering, which is used for a lot more delicate crops, but it's hard to do on a large scale. So it depends on the scale of agriculture and what type. It helps more with less thick crops, but less thick crops anyways will have less of this problem. But like lettuce, something with a lot of space and gaps that are to the ground, compared to corn, which is thick, and corn you would need this cover less. But this cover, what the idea would be is that you put the cover here and the plant just peeks through the cover, and that cover would reflect the light, would reflect light even more than normal soil and be very reflective. So either some of it goes to solar cell or some of it bounces back until it hits the plant and gets absorbed, increasing crop yield and efficiency of the whole system. Because now that the more light is being used by the plant more efficiently, the less of the light can be used more to power the solar cell. Also, crop covers have another huge benefit, and that can help prevent soil erosion, keep in fertilizer, and keep in moisture, lowering a huge amount of that problem. And agriculture uses over 70% of the world's water supply, so any bit there really does help a ton. Well, thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Also, if you have any ideas for future videos, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section below. And lastly, if you know my DM, you feel free to DM me. Thank you very much again. Goodbye.